After 4 phases of lockdown, India will slowly move towards unlocking. The Ministry of Home Affairs has come up with a clear guidelines that only the containment zones will remain under lockdown, and in the zones which are outside the containment zones, the economic activities will start in a phased manner. Right now I am reporting from one such containment zone, and this is the Markaz area in Nizamuddin, where the Markaz Masjid is there, and you can see these visuals. The CRP officials are completely manning this area, and Delhi police has completely barricaded this area. No movement of people is allowed here. So in such kind of containment zones, even after India moves towards unlocking, the movement will not be allowed. The economic activities will not be allowed. Even Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has also said that economic activities should resume in Delhi in all zones except the containment zones. And this is the Markaz area, and this has been in news since the Markaz attendees were found positive, and since then this area has been completely sanitized, completely blocked. You can see in the inside lanes of the Markaz, the CRP, the Delhi police, they are completely manning this area. No movement is allowed. Only few of the essential services are being allowed over here. Now if I show you the road which leads towards Markaz, it has been completely barricaded by the Delhi police. Now this road comes from the Kalindi Kunj and the Ashram side towards Nizamuddin, which subsequently goes toward India Gate, but this road has been completely blocked. The traffic is diverted from that barricade, and this road which leads to India Gate has been completely blocked because this particular area has seen a spike in cases after the Markaz attending, and hence we see that this area is completely declared as the containment zone. It is completely sealed. No movement is allowed here, and you see such kind of containment zones all throughout the country will remain under lockdown, and the other areas which are not the containment zones will be resuming the economic activities in a phased manner. Now from 8th of June, the economic activities will resume in various parts of the country in phased manner, but the MHA has clearly said that containment areas like these will remain under strict lockdown. Only essential services will be allowed in such areas, and no economic activities should resume in such containment areas. Now since yesterday, 20 more containment zones have come up in Delhi, and the list is around 122 containment zones in Delhi. Now in these 122 containment zones, no economic activity would be allowed. Outside these containment zones, the activities will be allowed in a phased manner. With camera person Sanjeev Chhetri, Mohit Bhatt reporting from Nizamuddin Markaz for Times Now.